Yes guys, welcome back to my cooking and banging channel. Basically I'm going to show you what's for Sunday dinner today, so check it out. Nice rice and peas. Look at that guys, looking lovely. There's a green pepper right there. And over here, show you, yeah, this is my nice fried chicken. We got my fried chicken gravy guy. Yeah, delicious Sunday dinner today guys. um, Also, I'm gonna show you guys my this guys looking beautiful. Also over here, I got my lovely salad. This guy's nice and lovely salad, fresh salad, garden salad, lettuce, cucumber, carrots, and I got some avocado as well. Checking out, looking lovely guys. Sunday dinner. Peace out. Remember to like, subscribe, share, and big up on yourself. See me? Yeah man, we're in the kitchen again. No. So we do it, cooking always. Keeping you guys updated. Keep on tuning in, keep on locked in. Peace out, stay safe, happy Sunday.